Now, 200 special trains will be operating today, carrying around 1.45 lakh passengers on day one. In fact, 26 lakh passengers have already booked their tickets in advance for the travel that is going to take place between June 1st to June 30th. Now, in addition to this, there are services that will also be to the Shramik special train that is also going to be there, and 30 special AC trains being run since May 12th. However, there are strict protocols that the passengers have to compulsorily follow, and this includes protocols like reaching the railway station at least 90 minutes before the scheduled departure. All the travellers will be compulsorily screened, and only the asymptomatic passengers will be allowed to board the train. Let me bring in my colleague Alok for further updates on this at this point. Alok, good morning. 200 trains there which are going to be operational from today as part of the Unlock 1.0. Give us a sense of what you're seeing on ground, the specific guidelines and protocols that have been put in place.
Yes, Apurva, good morning to you, and I'm standing outside the New Delhi railway station. This is Paharganj side where right now I'm standing, and at the reservation counter center where I am reporting from. And here you can see the line of the people, those who are waiting to get the ticket. The problem, Apurva, here is that the confusion is prevailing related to the Tatkal ticket. Many people want to get the Tatkal. It's around 10 a.m. and people have come here to get the Tatkal because people want to go back to their hometown. Many people are also of them are basically those who are migrants, and many people who are the basically standard people, those who wanted to travel. Here some of the people are standing. भाई साहब, आप कहाँ से कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं?
मैं नई दिल्ली से हावड़ा जाना चाहता हूँ।
हावड़ा जाना चाहते हैं, तो आपने वो जो श्रमिक स्पेशल चल रही है उसमें टिकट नहीं लिया?
जी, उसके लिए मेरा कोई जानकारी नहीं, कहाँ से कैसे मतलब मिलेगा टिकट, इसलिए मैं जो है अपने पैसे से टिकट खरीदना चाहता हूँ, वो भी नहीं मिल पा रहा है। मैं सुना था कि तत्काल मिलेगा, तत्काल भी बुक करना है, वो भी नहीं मिल पा रहा है।
अच्छा,
जी,
तो अभी दोनों चीज़ नहीं हो पा रही है आपके साथ?
जी जी।
Okay, so Apurva, these kinds of confusion is prevailing because people are also confused that whether the Shramik special train are still going or not. Apurva, I would just like to show you the other place. This is first batch of the people who are standing at the reservation counter. Why I am showing this? Because I want to show you whether social distancing norms is being followed or not. This is one batch. This is another batch. Here the railway protection officials are also sitting. They are just keeping an eye on the situation, whether the social distancing norms are being followed. Here you can see this is another batch of the reservation center. These people are standing just a 2 or 3 feet away from each other. Definitely people are trying to follow the social distancing, and here you can see that inside the reservation counter 5 to 6 people called. Once the 5 to 6 people cleared from that counter after taking the ticket. So this way whole operation is going on. I would just like to show you inside as well, Apurva. Just a small bit, I just want to show you that how all operation is going on, because from today, in fact, in the national capital, around 118 trains are going to be originating and also going to be passing from the New Delhi railway station. And here you can see this is the reservation counter. People are standing just with a few distance. There are circles also marked over here, and railway protection officials are also there. But the situation is still there that many people want to buy the tickets, whether it's the waiting ticket they also want to buy. However, the officials are telling them that no need to buy the waiting ticket, but despite that, people are buying the waiting. आप किस लिए आए हैं?
टिकट कैंसिल कराने।
कैंसिल क्यों करा रहे हैं?
सर वो क्या नाम है, 23 तारीख था, अब मतलब ट्रेन कैंसिल हो गई, इसकी वजह से मेरे को टिकट कैंसिल कराना पड़ रहा है।
कैंसिल कराना पड़ रहा है। आपका कंफर्म टिकट था?
हाँ जी।
सर आपका क्या है?
हमारा सर्कुलर यात्रा टिकट था अप्रैल का जी। तो अब लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, ऑलरेडी मतलब कैंसिल ही हो गई है, तो हम अपना रिफंड वापस कराने के लिए आए हैं।
वापस कराने के
जी।
लिए आए हैं। आप टिकट लेने के लिए आए हैं या आप भी कैंसिल कराने?
नहीं जी, टिकट वापस कराने आए। हमको आनंद विहार से मुजफ्फरपुर जाने में दिक्कत होगा, इसीलिए मधुबनी, इसीलिए वापस कराने आए।
ठीक है। So these are the people who have come here to get the cancellation ticket, but many people are still getting the problem because they are confused about whether Tatkal is getting or not. However, the railway officials here, when we talked to them, they told us that no Tatkal is being given as of now, and this is the situation on the ground at the national capital. Back to you.
All right, Alok, request you to stay with us. Those, of course, are important updates. They're coming in from the national capital. But let's also now look at what is happening in Bengaluru. Let me go across to my colleague Shrija, who's joining us from outside the Majestic railway station at this point. Shrija, good morning. Give us a sense of the situation on ground with 200 trains that are operational from today. What are the steps that has been taken to ensure that the social distancing norms are not flouted at any cost?
Well, firstly, Apurva, we see that already 2 trains of the 200 trains that we're talking about for today, the passenger trains have already left from Krantiveera Sangoli Rayana station. This is right here at Majestic. We are standing at this very point where we understand just about 5 minutes ago, already a train has left from Bengaluru to Danapur. Of course, we are talking about, where a minimum of passengers that we are talking about, because there are certain protocols that needed to be followed. Remember, we are talking about especially where we understand passengers will have to reach the station at least about 90 minutes in advance. We're also looking at where only fully confirmed and RAC passengers and partially waitlisted passengers were clearly allowed, and also waitlisted passengers were not allowed. Passengers were compulsorily screened right over here at this point, entry point, what you're looking at right behind me. And we also understand that passengers were allowed to board the train only if they followed certain protocols that are in place, because what you're seeing right now right behind me is that passengers are still being screened, and we see that thermal screening is happening, and if they are wearing masks, and we see that especially in one particular coach only at least about 50 to 55 people are being seated, because remember, social distancing is the norm right now to be followed.
Okay.
So these are certain protocols that are being followed at this point in time. People who are having high temperature, who are having running temperature, they're not being allowed to board the train. So remember, right now what we are getting the details from Southwestern Railways is that there are at least about 12 arrivals that we're looking at here in Bengaluru from various states, and from here departure we are talking about at least 11 of them which are departing. For so far we see that at least 2 of the trains have already departed.
All right, Shrija, appreciate you joining us and bringing us those ground reports. Meanwhile, remember, 3 of the states, which includes Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, have expressed reservations on running of these special trains. Railways has made it clear that all of these trains will run as per schedule and as planned earlier. Now, the 3 states have raised concerns over these trains running at a time when the COVID cases are increasing every single day. The Railways Board Chairman even wrote to the Maharashtra Chief Secretary and requested him to make necessary arrangements to comply with the railway guidelines.